के साथ द गॉर्जियस सायमी खेर एंड साई तमहनकर। एक बार जोरदार तालियां उन दोनों के लिए भी। देखिए, आग बुझाना इतना आसान काम नहीं है। इट टेक्स अ होल विलेज टू डू समथिंग एज ग्रैंड एज दिस। तो एक बार जोरदार तालियों के बीच आप स्वागत करें इस मंच पर जितेंद्र जोशी और उदित अरोरा का। सर, फर्स्ट आप वो काम कर लेते हैं जिसके लिए हम यहां पर आज आए हैं। फोटो खिंचवा लेते हैं। राहुल सर, टीजर जब आया, ऑब्वियसली काफी उत्सुक हैं, सबके फैंस हैं। दो शब्द फिल्म के बारे में और फिर देन वील हैव द ट्रेलर। इफ यू कुड शेयर अ कपल ऑफ वर्ड्स और मे बी मोर। द फिल्म अबाउट होम। वाह राहुल सर, पिक्चर के बारे में। अग्नि
superb. I think first of all I have to thank both these guys, Farhan and Ritesh, for really making this film happen. It's the job of the firefighter is extremely difficult. We don't know anything about it. We just think aag lagi hai, they'll come and do something, but they do a lot more than that, which you'll see in the film. And thank you all for being here, and thank you for making this film happen, all of y'all. I think that's all what I can say about the film. I'm overwhelmed emotionally, and I think it's been a long journey. And finally, thank you Amazon for taking this film to the world. Thank you.
सर, मैं ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जब हमने टीजर देखा, आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आर यू एक्साइटेड टू वॉच द ट्रेलर ऑफ अग्नि? बहुत ही कम, थोड़ी ज्यादा आग लगाई जा सकती है इससे ज्यादा। लेट्स डू इट वन मोर टाइम फॉर द कैमरास। आर यू गाइज एक्साइटेड? Are you guys excited? Yep. To share your labor of love? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're all set. So I'm going to request all of you to join me backstage. Rahul sir, आप आगे आएं यहाँ पर। देखें आप जरा लोगों का reaction कैसा है. And in your unique style, sir, if you could give him a big round of applause, sir. Sir, थोड़ा सा तो आप smile और कर सकते हैं. That's too much of fire on the big screen. Give him a big round of applause. Truly deserve. Sir, there's a stellar.
The applause.
And of course, there's a
They are
stellar.
the ones who go into the fire.
Truly. So there's a stellar cast on screen. There's also a stellar cast behind the scenes, जिन्होंने आपके साथ ये आग लगाई है. इस मंच पर मैं उन्हें आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on stage the duo behind many blockbusters, industry stalwarts, creative visionaries, and producers of Agni. From Excel Entertainment, give it up for Ritesh Sidhwani and Farhan Akhtar. So welcome to the show, and of course now, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on stage the man who needs no introduction. Give it up for Manish Menghani, Director, Content Licensing, Prime Video, India. Zordar taaliyan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor for me to be standing on stage and inviting these two heroes. You know, we all feel safe in the comfort of our homes, because there are real life heroes out there fighting for us. Ladies and gentlemen, आज इस मंच पर मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा सबसे पहले एक बार जोरदार तालियों के साथ अभिनंदन करें our special guest of honor, श्री भूषण गगरानी जी, IAS and current Municipal Commissioner of Mumbai. And before being appointed to the BMC, Mr. Gagrani was Additional Chief Secretary in Chief Minister's Office. He was also responsible for the Department of Urban Development, Water Resources, and Marathi language. And that's not all, interestingly. Ladies and gentlemen, he's the first Chartered Officer IAS in the country to secure an All India third rank with Marathi language. It's a pleasure to have you here. और साथ ही साथ मैं इस मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा रियल लाइफ हीरो हैं श्री रविंद्र गोदावरी नारायण राव अंबुलगेकर जी, चीफ फायर ऑफिसर, मुंबई फायर ब्रिगेड. A firefighter with 20 years of experience who has led numerous successful rescue operations and has been awarded the prestigious Bravery Award for saving lives in some of the largest fire disasters in our region. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. सबसे पहले आप दोनों का मैं सबकी तरफ से धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगा. We'd like to salute your service. Thank you very much. Gentlemen, if I could request you to please just step forward. Ladies and gentlemen, before I start my question and answer, एक बार जोरदार तालियां for this phenomenal team. Ritesh, I wanted to ask you a question, because yes, Agni salutes the spirit of teamwork. You also, you and Farhan, is a team, is a great force to reckon with. And of course, you know how firefighters here make brave choices. You both have also made, brave choices. If you could share the importance of teamwork, especially for a project like Agni.
Good afternoon. I think teamwork, filmmaking is a teamwork. I don't think anyone can say, "Ke yaar, maine ye kar diya," and it's me, because then that's the end of the road for that. I think it's a very collaborative process. So I think, like any other film, even Agni is on the similar basis. I think in a team where the sensibilities align, you want to have us to say the similar story, have a similar shared voice. That's when you come together and you find the right team for that, which is obviously Rahul, Vijay, who's also co-written it with Rahul. I think that's how the process is always. I think, so overall, if you ask me, filmmaking is a team sport. It's not a individual, a team effort.
You spoke about, similar voices in terms of story. Farhan, I'd like to ask you, what made you, choose this project? What made you guys decide that we will make a film on firefighters?
Good afternoon. सबसे पहले बात ये थी कि ये जो आइडिया था वो राहुल ढोलकिया ने लाया था रितेश और मेरे पास, और जो कहानी थी इस फिल्म की, जिस मिलियू में ये कहानी सेट है, हमने कभी फिल्म देखी नहीं है फायर फाइटर्स के बारे में. और जो सबसे ख़ास बात थी इस फिल्म की वो ये थी कि ये सिर्फ एक एक्शन मूवी नहीं थी. इसमें जो एक बीटिंग हार्ट है वो है द ड्रामा ऑफ द फिल्म. कि एक तो हम देखते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ ब्रेवरी, देयर इज़ करेज, देयर इज़ सैक्रिफाइस, but there is also bravery and courage and sacrifice shown at home by the family and the families of all these firefighters who go out every single time they are called. So it also spoke about the family, that support is important, that feeling of maybe my husband or my wife is going and may not come back. It captures many, many different things. और हमें लगा कि ये कहानी, excuse me, एक important कहानी है, एक नई fresh कहानी है. और जिस तरह से राहुल ने इसे प्रेजेंट किया था, हम जानते थे, हम इसके साथ काम कर चुके हैं पहले. We know that he is going to make something incredible when he puts his heart into it, and the result is here for you to see.
I think the trailer speaks for itself. It's phenomenal. Maniji, first of all, I have to say, because I was talking about teamwork, your collaboration with Excel Entertainment has actually produced some of the most entertaining, engaging, award-winning content. The fact that you're coming up with another project like this is only, raising hopes of all the fans. Super excited already. First up, how does Agni pushes the cinematic envelope and what the fans can expect from this spectacular film?
Thank you. Of course, we deeply cherish our partnership with Excel. We've done tons of things, and I'll come to that in a minute. But this is India's really the first film on firefighting and firefighters. And, it underscores the evolving landscape of Indian cinema. And Agni sets really a new benchmark in the dramas that you've seen in this country so far. It's a really inspiring story. It blends high-stake drama with a powerful theme of courage, unity, and resilience, right? And this is something we've not seen before so far, so it's very unique. It is cinematic and visually a delight. Of course, you hope to never be in a situation like this, but when you watch from far, this is a cinematic delight for our consumers. It's also an emotional story. मतलब बहुत emotion है. Farhan spoke a little bit about it कि these firefighters are not just fighting real fires, but they're also fighting personal battles and personal fires every day. And something that struck with me was, was the personal fires and how, they're dealing with things we're not used to seeing. I think, and our partnership with Excel, we've done everything from Mirzapur, we've done Made in Heaven, we've done tons of films together. And now we're coming to Agni, which we're all very, very excited about, and just launching in India, but across, 240 countries in the world.
Wow. So already excited, sir. And talking about a lot of emotions, Rahul sir, what is your emotion right now? Be honest with us. Are you calm? Are you...
No, I'm calm, but I think I'm very anxious and very happy that this film is out there. It's been, I think, what else can I say? You can see what
Let me just say, Rahul is looking forward to getting off the stage.
Yeah, please. Let the actors come, let them talk.
नहीं, fair enough, sir. Sir, मैं भूषण जी आपसे जानना चाहूँगा कि हमारी जो ऑडियंस है, ट्रेलर तो दिख ही रहा है सर, बहुत शानदार. But according to you, why should an audience watch a film like this on firefighters?
Well, the main difference between any man-made disaster, natural disaster, and firefighting is that in other incidents, the death is approaching to you. In firefighting, the firefighter is approaching to the death. So that's the main difference. And PMC is blessed and privileged to associate itself with the Team Agni. Agni is a part of our life and philosophy, one of the Panch Mahabhut. BMC is proud that we have got the best firefighting unit in the country and probably one of the best in the world, with 4,000 strong trained staff and the best of the equipment you can imagine. And so, the kind of a little deprived recognition to the firefighting as a profession and as a firefighter, as a person, I think Agni will bring this in a big way, this recognition. And I'm hope and confident that this Agni will set the OTT on fire. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talking about respect, let's have a bigger round of applause for that, please. Ravinder sir, इतना illustrious career है आपका. I'm sure बहुत सारे occasions होंगे जहाँ पर आपने rescue mission को lead किया है. कोई एक incident आप हमारे साथ share करना चाहें और साथ ही साथ आपके लिए सर कभी-कभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है for people like us, I think when we say the word like bravery, थोड़ा ऊपर superficially है हमारे लिए कहना. आपके लिए उसके क्या मायने हैं सर? अगर आप हमारे साथ share कर सकें please.
First of all, thank you very much. कुछ मंच पे ज़्यादा बोलने का एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. मेरी भाषा में मैं समझाने का कोशिश करूँगा. आई विल ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट. एक क्वेश्चन आया था, व्हाट इज़ ब्रेवरी? बहादुरी क्या होती है? हमारे लिए बहादुरी वही है जो पल में इमरजेंसी आएगी वहाँ पे जाने का. गो देयर, फाइट द फायर, सेव द लाइफ एंड कम बैक. इफ़ यू आर सेव्ड, यू आर लकी. इफ़ यू आर नॉट, you will be I don't have words about it. It has happened in last. Another one, आपने पूछा कि what is inspiring? Since last 32 years, everybody from our fire services, everybody is hardcore firefighter by way of experience, by way of training, advanced training in the world. Just sir said, we are the best in the world as well, because whatever happens in Mumbai city, the cognizance is taken worldwide. And we are the examples from where the world learns from us. And that is what we fight the fire. There are lots of experiences. Even since 93, we have joined. There were riots. We worked in riots, then bomb blasts, then Taj attack, then Lotus fire, then last one was in month of May. The huge hoarding has collapsed in Ghatkopar. Nearly 17, 18 people were trapped underneath. Sir was there, and under his guidance and all continues, he was there. with us to help us. By all means, we saved a lot of life. Nearly about initially, it was the scenario where petroleum products were involved, people were involved, they were trapped underneath, and huge spill of you can say gas and petroleum products were there. And in that situation, we have to take decision. We have to think about our men as well, of the people who were stranded below the hoarding and they were trapped. That was the successful operation, and we saved a lot of people. But there was some, I can say, few people they died, but it was a bad incident. Likewise, this is Agni is the story of our daily routine life. Whatever. Only in our daily routine, there is no music, I will say. But this is the sound, whichever is there on the incident. There may be blasts, maybe cylinder blasts, maybe any other things, or flame sound, whatsoever it is. Water reaction with fire and all. Huge, there is a lot of sound. And in that situation, we have to save people. It is our job. And we do it by wholeheartedly. At that moment, we don't have any thinking about anything. No family, nothing. Only to save the person, to extinguish the fire at any cost. Nothing like that.
Wow.
Thank
Sir,
you.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि हम में से कोई भी कभी शब्दों में या कर्मों में कुछ ऐसा कर पाएंगे कि हम आप सब का धन्यवाद कर पाएं. But with your kind permission, ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a standing ovation? Can we have a standing ovation for the real life heroes, our firefighters? एक बार जोरदार तालियां. And also, I would request Manish ji to please present a small token of love and gratitude from our side. We have Haji Baijan, thank you very much. To Bhushan ji and Ravinder ji, if I could request you to do the honors. Sir, एक छोटी सी प्यार भरी भेंट. Gentlemen, if I could request you to please step forward. हमारे रियल लाइफ हीरोज तो यहाँ मंच पर मौजूद हैं, साथ ही साथ मैं चाहूँगा why not take the opportunity to invite the real life heroes as well onto this stage, and let's have a group picture. Can I request the entire cast to please join? Presence means a lot. मैं गुजारिश करूंगा आप दोनों से कि आप अपनी कुर्सियों पर विराजमान हो और बाकी का शो हमारे साथ एंजॉय करें, प्लीज. And to everybody else, I'm going to request you to please join us for a quick Q&A. And please settle down. Thank you very much. राहुल सर, कुछ ज़्यादा कास्ट तो नहीं होगी स्टेज पे? स्टेज पे कुछ ज़्यादा लोग तो नहीं बुला लिए हमने सीन के लिए? और भी हैं हमारे पास सर. But we'll invite them in just a minute. But first up, if I could request you to please take your seats. राहुल सर, मैं आपके साथ बैठता हूँ. मनीष सर. प्लीज. वाह भैया, क्या बात है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं यार. लुक एट दैट. वाह. राहुल सर, आपके लिए जोरदार तालियां पहले तो. नहीं राहुल सर, ऑब्वियसली ही क्लियरली सर, because you clearly want to walk off the stage as quickly as possible. तो सवाल आपसे पूछ लेते हैं. First of, how did you bring in this?
First of all, the concept of the film is that we've seen films on various forces and police and 4Gs and all that, but we've never seen a film on firefighters. And I think internationally you've seen a lot of films like this, but may have seen, but in India we've not made. So this is the first film on firefighters, I think. And once I met one, while doing the research, I met one firefighter and he said कि फौजी जो है वो देश संभालता है, बॉर्डर संभालते हैं, हम शहर संभालते हैं. You know, and I think that's, nobody knows about it. मतलब आग लगी, they call it अंगार, वो लगती है तब जाते हैं, but there's so many other times they have to go in. So I think the concept came in from talking about their lives on and how they actually experience and giving them some kind of, it's a wrong thing to say, but I think we should respect them a lot more than what
I
we are
completely
doing
agree,
that.
especially, you know.
And then when I took it to Farhana and Ritesh, and the story development is what I'm going to talk about next, is that they've been so involved in the whole process. So from the first day of the concept till today morning show floor, they're involved. So I think that's great for a film like this, because you need everyone's to work in unity. Like how the firefighters work. And then Vijay wrote the dialogues and he worked with me on the screenplay also. And it was incredible because it's an intense subject, right? So you need a little bit of humor in it and all that. So that's where he brought his expertise and also the Marathi flavor, which we have because it's about Mumbai firefighters. So I think overall it's a team effort, and thank you very much for everyone.
Ritesh, he said that, you know, a lot of involvement, I think that speaks volumes about the kind of work you've also created in the past. And obviously, you know, there's a reason why you've tasted success. Talking about Agni, what are the unique elements in this film which sets it apart from all the stories you've shared before?
I think what makes it unique, you can see by the title, you know, you're getting to say a film on a firefighter. We've not seen a story like that come out of Indian cinema. And it's not only, so it's not a docu kind of a feeling about it, but you're trying to bring a story to the forefront, give it its recognition. I think that was the single idea which Rahul had. I mean, I think when he came to me, he said, I want to do a film which is based on firefighters because they actually don't get the recognition they deserve. They do the smallest of jobs which we're not aware of, and a lot of it I got to know what I mean. Otherwise, you'll only know that firefighters come in when there's a fire, but there's so much more they do every day, even when there's not a fire happening. So you get to learn that through the film, you get to understand their personal story. So I think the whole drama of it, the kind of inspiration this movie provides, the kind of discussions which will arise after you watching it. So I think it's going to bring it to the forefront of the audience which we've not had before. So I think it makes it very unique, and I think we're grateful that Rahul brought it to us to bring it into one of the films in the Excel slate, which is to come forward.
And I must compliment the fact that you truly mentioned it doesn't look like a docudrama or something like that. It is very engaging, looks like a mega blockbuster film. And Farhan, when you make a film as important and as relevant in today's time, you know, what is your opinion on the fact that how a film like this will, you know, shape or create new genres? And is there a personal connect also with the film?
Well, I think the personal connect is the respect that all of us have for the fire department. That is the personal connect. I also want to quickly just say thank you to Bhushanji and Ravindraji. Without their support and without the support of the people that work with them, this film was not possible to be made. यहाँ जो actors बैठे हैं stage पे, they of course have done an incredible job in the film. But apart from them, all the firefighters that you see in the film are actual firefighters that came and worked on the film with us. Yeah.
Wow.
So as far as the genre is concerned, I mean, we at Excel, in partnership with Amazon, have tried for a long, long time to keep breaking new molds, you know, trying and telling different kinds of stories that are away from the run-of-the-mill story or something formulaic that is currently the trend of the year, you know, trend of the season. So that's what we keep trying. Sometimes we succeed, like with Agni, you know, and sometimes we don't. But the endeavor goes on, you know, so that's really what it is. And I just hope that when this film does come out, all of you all do watch it, because I know after having seen it, after having interacted with Rahul, with the entire team, that they've put together something that really, really has a beating heart.
You know, talking about unique content, Manish, you play an important role, a pivotal one in bringing out unique content on your platform, and of course, you know, with this upcoming release of Agni. First up, I wanted to know, what can the audience expect? What are your thoughts, you know, when you're bringing such a fantastic, important story to life? And also, how does it fit into the larger flywheel of the, you know, Prime Video content?
So as India's most loved entertainment destination, I think it's our job to curate some of the best entertainment for our consumers. And we're committed to, you know, bringing the best stories. This one has been fairly unique because it's not just different, but it's rooted, it's relatable, and yet it's fully cinematic in its storytelling. There is a lot of entertainment in the story. You'll see it's not just a serious film. There's so much entertainment, there's humor. You'll see the characters, you know, mingling with each other in many ways. And you'll see them, you know, very up close and personal is what I've personally loved, and I'm, you know, very happy to bring to audiences worldwide. It's not just inspiring, it's also deeply thought-provoking. You know, like the line in the film, and of course I've watched the film, I love the film. You know, the line in the film says, you know, cycle bhi CD pe. You know, from that time I've been walking around in my own society and saying, cycle andar rakho. You know, like it's things that, you know, you're not very mindful of. So it is going to be a conversation starter. It is thought-provoking. Of course, you know, this is Rahul's directorial after Raees. We are so excited to see his work after, you know, Raees now, and this is going to be, you know, if not more, as exciting. So that's another really exciting point for us. The cast, this all sitting here, you'll see them, you know, play characters you've never seen them play before. You know, like seeing them in these firefighting suits, seeing them at home with their family. Like it's both sides of, you know, the professional and the personal lives that you know you see in the film. And of course, you know, it's not just action, but the emotion, right? Like, and those are really the things that I'm personally excited about.
And I'd also like to compliment the entire cast who's sitting here, because the kind of body of work you've created, the kind of iconic characters you all have created. And when you see the trailer, आपको झलक नहीं दिखती कि यार इसको मैंने कहीं बहुत आइकॉनिक कैरेक्टर में देखा है. ये सब ऐसा लग रहा था कि फायर फाइटर्स हैं या उस कहानी के किरदार हैं. Let's have a big round of applause for the cast there.
Thank you.
And प्रतीक, आप दिवेंदु के साथ अभी पिछले प्रोजेक्ट में थे जहाँ पे फैंस ने बहुत मस्ती करते देखा. How does that camaraderie bring in more, you know, kind of thing? Was it fun on this one as well, or was it different?
Such bol.
It was too much fun. In fact, we shot this film first.
अच्छा.
Yeah. And इसकी दोस्ती शायद उसमें ज़्यादा दिखी है हमारी.
Okay.
और इसमें हमारा जो banter है, हमारी जो दोस्ती और दुश्मनी साथ में दिखती है, that's more fun in this film.
So, if you could just share one good thing about working with him.
That's difficult.
So let's have one bad thing.
That's also difficult because that's a list. But so working with Divendu is very difficult because it's difficult to concentrate when he's around. एक तो आपको कोई देखता नहीं है when he's around.
He's talking about my looks.
Yeah. Clearly. No, so Divendu will return the favor. One thing you don't like about him.
There's hardly something.
चलो रहने देता हूँ उसको.
हाँ, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं यार. Actually, Pratik is a great guy and सीख रहा है. You know, so every day he's learning. I like that he has no ego. कभी भी shot के बीच में, if he has any problem, he comes to me and says, Divendu, मुझे scene नहीं हो पा रहा, कैसे करना है? So that's what I really like about him. He's a really humble guy. So yeah, keep it up, Pratik.
I think that's a great
See,
thing.
this is how we have worked.
which is fantastic. You know, you've created another iconic character on Prime, and of course with the same team. When you do a character in Agni, which is more, you know, real life, how does that, and you know, your fans when they look at it, what can they expect first from this character, and second, where does this character fit in your body of work as well?
For me, it's quite a different part to play. When we talk about Munna, that's a completely different world and character. But doing Agni was also, I mean, I really liked it as an artist, but also it was a responsibility that whatever we are doing, we have to do it with, you know, with all our heart and, you know, just do it right. I mean, so it's one of those films where, honestly, I mean, my character, yes, I really thoroughly enjoyed it, but, you know, to be part of that world was even more important for me. So I just wanted to be part of this film, you know, to just represent what firefighters go through. Although I represent the police, but that's the whole banter in the film as well. But again, for me, it was more important to be part of this world. Yeah.
Fantastic. So, thoughts? You want? ठीक क्या?
गुरुजी हैं, अब गुरुजी के बारे में क्या बोले हम? But what he said, that he is playing super cop in the film, and that also brings a lot of conflict in my character and in the world of firefighters. The kind of conflicts that these two characters are having, these two different worlds are having, their point of view about the same incident is different because of their background, because of their training and everything, and that makes it even more interesting and intriguing. So मतलब फिल्म में भी वही है, and that's more fun. That makes it enjoyable for the viewers. And हमारा पूरा banter जो फिल्म में चल भी रहा है वो भी वैसा ही है. So I guess it'll add up to it.
सही जो है वो आप दोनों के बीच में बैठी हुई हैं. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, you know, you worked with so many people. You've got a great body of work as well. How was it working with these two and of course the entire cast? If you could share.
I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of such amazing group of people, talented people. And जैसा कि आपने बोला, हम बीच में बैठी हूँ. मेरा अक्सर फिल्म में भी सैंडविच हो रखा है. I play his sister and his wife. So I think for somebody who goes out and works and has a risky job like this, it is very important for them to have a very peaceful, delightful environment at home. So I think I play that part. I'm handling the domestic side. And मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं अग्नि का फूल हूँ. So I'm very happy to be a pool of Agni.
Wow. That's a nice title you created for yourself. Sayami, I'd like to ask you, you know, you play a firefighter. How did you prepare for the role, and what was the most rewarding thing when you played your character?
Firstly, good afternoon to everyone here, and thank you to the whole fire department for what they've done for our film. You know, there's just something about the uniform, like just look at them. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So I think the first memory I have is of Farhan with Laksh. And it's always this thing of there's something about a person in the uniform. So when I heard about the script and I sat with Rahul, it was just very exciting, the whole process of becoming a firefighter, I feel. And even when the teaser came out, there were so many comments which said, "Arey, ye filmi mat banao, female firefighter hote nahi hai." So our lack of knowledge that the department has so many female firefighters, and I have to say that I was very unaware with a lot of things that the fire department did as well. So I think this film has been a big learning. It's been great fun, as you can see the banter. And this is my second with Amazon, first with Excel, so it always will be special. First, second, thirds, they're all very special.
जितेंद्र भाई, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. सॉरी, मैं कह रहा हूँ जितेंद्र भाई, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. तो
नहीं यार, सोच रहा हूँ, मतलब
मैं तो सर ये पूछ रहा था, कैसा रहा आपको इन सब के साथ काम करके? सीजन एक्टर है सर, देखो.
बहुत ही मज़ा आया, लेकिन उससे परे जाके मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें बचपन से कुछ कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं, है ना. तो विक्रम बेताल की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती है, शूरता वीरता की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं. अगर छोटे बच्चों को कुछ काम निकलवाना होता है तो माँ बाप कहते हैं कि देख ले, शोर मत कर वरना पुलिस वाला आ जाएगा. कभी आज तक ये फिल्म मिलने से पहले तक मतलब ये फिल्म जब मिली और मैंने इसको पढ़ा तो मुझे शर्म महसूस हुई इस चीज़ की कि बचपन से लेके आज तक मुझे कभी मेरे माँ बाप ने, कभी मेरे घर वालों ने किसी फायर फाइटर की कहानी ही नहीं बताई थी। और ये कहानी जब मुझे ये मैंने पढ़ी और जब ये किरदार पढ़े तो ऑफ कोर्स एक्सेल प्रोड्यूस कर रही है ये फिल्म, राहुल ढोलकिया जैसे निर्देशक इसको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये सारी कास्ट है। तो एज एन एक्टर आपको ये मौका लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है यार, इसमें काम करूँगा ना तो बहुत अच्छा कुछ हो जाएगा। इससे परे जाकर जब हम लोग वर्कशॉप के लिए गए ना, और जब वर्कशॉप किया, वर्कशॉप करते करते जब इनकी और कुछ इनके अनुभव सुने, एक्सपीरियंसेस सुने, उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि यार ये करियर से परे, ये सिनेमा से परे, ये कहानी बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसे कि मेरी बच्ची है, मेरी बच्ची को, आने वाली पीढ़ी को ये कहना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये लोग बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं। और फिर एक चीज़ मन में आई कि एक ही चीज़ हो, ये फिल्म देखने के बाद, जैसे हम लोग आर्मी का कोई जवान दिख जाता है या पुलिस वाला दिखता है तो हम लोग सलाम करते हैं, तो ये फिल्म देखने के बाद हर फायर फाइटर अगर दिख जाए रास्ते में तो उसको एक सैल्यूट करना चाहिए। इतनी
सोचो,
ये दिल में ख्याल आया। और फिर काम करते हुए तो बहुत अच्छी टीम थी। तो जब एक्टर्स सभी अच्छे हों, डायरेक्टर अच्छे हों, और मैं और एक चीज़ स्टेज से कहना चाहूँगा कि मैंने आज तक मैंने जितना काम किया है, मैंने कभी किसी सेट पे जूनियर्स के लिए इस तरीके का इंतज़ाम नहीं देखा। जो एक्सेल के सेट पे जूनियर्स जहाँ पे बैठे हुए होते, वहाँ पे एनाकोंडा होता है, तो मैंने नहीं देखा आज तक।
एनाकोंडा एसी इसको बोलते
हाँ,
हैं।
एसी,
जस्ट टू या
हाँ मतलब हाँ।
आई थॉट इट माइट साउंड वेरी कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग।
मैं कहने का मतलब ये है कि सांप
कल सुबह, अभी आधे घंटे में न्यूज में आ जाएगा, एक्सेल वालों ने जूनियर में छोड़ा एनाकोंडा।
बट एनीवे, कहने का मतलब ये है कि बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा।
इसका जो क्रेडिट सिर्फ हम नहीं ले सकते, यहाँ पे जो बैठे हैं कासिम और शिवानी, विकी, जो ऑन ग्राउंड, इन लोग सब बहुत मेहनत करते हैं।
जी जी जी, सारी की सारी टीम। तो अब ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छी बनी है और ये वो सक्सेस और फेलियर के परे वाली जाने वाली कुछ कहानियाँ होती हैं ना कि जो रह जाती हैं, कहनी चाहिए। तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ राहुल ढोलकिया और एक्सेल का कि आपने ये कहानी कही और मैं खुशनसीब हूँ कि मैं उसका एक हिस्सा हूँ।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू। उदित, अभी जितेंद्र जी बात कर रहे थे वर्कशॉप की, मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगा, हाउ हैज़ इट बीन यू नो वर्किंग एंड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द रोल, एंड हाउ डिड एज एन एक्टर यू अप्रोच्ड यू नो टुवर्ड्स द इमोशनल सीन्स एंड एवरीथिंग?
Yeah, I think any project that you do as an artist, it's fictionalized and whatever, and you are going, it has its dynamics and everything. But this kind of project is special because as an artist, you get to learn a lot. Like, you don't pay attention to a lot of things when you're going about in your life, right? But these kind of projects lets you to see that you haven't seen before. Like, I didn't know about anything. Like, Jitu Bhai said, I also felt ashamed. Like when the first time I experienced everything, I thought, shit, I don't know anything about them. So, like the kind of life that they live. The first time I asked myself this question that, will I leave everything right now if I've been called for duty? And the answer was no. And then the question came, why? Why would you do that? So, to just imagine that sacrifice that they make, putting someone else's life above theirs. So I think it's a very, very learning experience, and I'm very glad that I'm part of this movie. It's a very, very important movie. Yeah.
So, you know, I truly agree. इस फिल्म के टीजर से पहले आप में से कितने लोग, be honest ना, raise your hand, आप में से कितने लोग जानते थे about the life? How many? 4, 5. I hope, sir, that by 12th or you know December, this big, no, I know it's 6th, but by the next week, I hope every hand in the room or every hand in the country is raised proudly, that we know the kind of sacrifice, the bravery they show. Thank you very much to all the officers who are here. बहुत shukriya.
Thank you.
Thank you to everybody who's on stage. Thank you very much. I wish you the very best. And as Rahul sir said, 6th of December को रिलीज होने जा रही है प्राइम वीडियो पर. तो आप सबका धन्यवाद. और मैं चाहता था कि सर हमारे परिवार के कुछ और सदस्य भी यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, उन्हें भी इस मंच पर बुला लेते हैं. एंड देन वील हैव अ पिक्चर. सो इफ आई कुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज स्टैंड अप. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Can I call
प्लीज सर.
Saki, Kabir, everybody who's involved with Agni, Vijay, Vishal, Qasim, ADs, come on.
सखी, कबीर, एवरीबॉडी. एंड साथ ही साथ मैं हमारे सभी ऑफिसर्स जो हैं, फायर फाइटर्स की टीम है, उनको इस मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा फॉर अ ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ प्लीज. प्लीज एवरीबॉडी. सर वैसे तो हमने अच्छा सर एक काम करते हैं, आइए. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all celebrate the trailer launch of Agni, we'd also like to remind you that Agni releases on 6th of December on Prime Video, where we celebrate our true heroes, the frontline superheroes, our firefighters. To all of you, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for being here with us.